Hold on. Hold on. Them little pussy bitches try to be somebody else. I'm the same 30 deeper if I'm by myself. How you just ain't fuck with me but calling me for help? Bitch, you wrong, dirty hoe, that shit below the belt. You did that shit to them, well, that shit cool, I ain't with that. You do that shit to me, I'm coming for to get my lick back. That hoe get ass off that ecstasy, she drank me like a six-pack. That hoe gon' ride me like a roller coaster, must think we at Six Flags. Babe, you fine, but I ain't friendly, need to get back. For you, it ain't no time up on my clock, so you can't spend that. Told her I don't care, Hussle, young hustler have emotion. She ain't even know me, but she knew about the clothes. I'm in my Beamer with my bitch, she bout to give me brain. I'ma let the window down and catch a play, she ain't gon' say a fucking thing. Get wake up in the trapper trying to get some rain. Bitch, I'm in the backseat with a black, he smoking hella dame. Bitch, I hit that lick and stack, that shit ain't spend a fucking thing. Bitch, stay out my business, how I'm living, shit, I can't complain. I can't ride with that nigga, he might say my motherfucking name. Send shots up at that boy up on that road, he had him swerving lane.
Yeah, I really did that.
What I gotta do today? Make 100 play. How you do that shit, lil' hustle, trap that shit like 30 ways. I'm with some dirty niggas, with some dirty ways. I'm with some dirty niggas, with some dirty K. I ain't gotta pop no exes, nigga, I get turned up by myself. I ain't gotta pop no exes, nigga, I can murk him with no help. That's my brother, nigga, if he fall, then I'ma pick him up. Thought that you was loyal, nigga, thought we were forever stuck. Backup plans after backup plans, I ain't going broke. No, this not a regular strand, Zaza when you see me choke. Why you up in competition, proud of you, ain't proud of me? I can't give a nigga nothing, nigga ain't give shit to me. I know who I am, nigga, give a fuck what y'all say. Why would I feel guilty for shining and I grind all day? Niggas, they be mad about women, but you thuggin' though. Long as she gon' come when I need her, she can do what she want. Pull up to that Beamer, nigga, I sell you a whole thing. Nigga, you can catch me solo, I be in my own lane. I just got a passport, might just take a trip to Rio, might just find a bad Brazilian bitch and set it off like Cleo. I just caught a play, nigga, right before I recorded this. Got that shit for 17, but I charged them 26. No, I don't be tricking off and get a profit to no bitch. Nigga, I went put it up and then I did that shit again.